If there was such thing as a glow Barbie, this would be her in my chair. This is my beautiful client, and today we're going to be doing a very glowy, beautiful look. We're starting off with moisturizer. I use the Embryolisse moisturizer because it's the best. It silts well under the skin, and it has a built-in primer. Priming the eyes is so important before you start any kind of makeup or eyeshadow. I'm using the Hourglass Veil Eye Primer, and I love this stuff. It's great for all skin types. Next, I'm going in with the NARS Creamy Concealer in Light 1, and I'm going to put this all over the lid. It gives a beautiful base for eyeshadow, and it brightens up the eye. For eyeshadow, I am using the Makeup by Mario Ethereal palette. This is such a beautiful palette, especially for bridal. It's so pigmented. The shimmer colors are so beautiful. It's a must-have palette, so grab one for your kit. For her already naturally beautiful brows, I used the MAC eyebrow pencil in color Brunette. For foundation, I am using Face Altier, and I use 1 warm mixed with 1.5 neutral, and this came out to be the perfect match. There was an incident with her curling iron, so all I had to do to fix that was use the NARS Creamy Concealer, and we were good to go. For blush, I'm using one of my cult favorites, Makeup by Mario, in the color Dusty Rose. This is the blush stick, and it is so beautiful on so many different skin tones. It's amazing. Another one of my favorites for contour is the Makeup by Mario contour stick in color medium. I just blended this really well since she was very fair. For some extra glowiness, I used the Danessa Myricks Lightworks Volume 1 highlighter palette, and I used the color Like Duh on the upper part of her cheekbones to give that a pop. For lip liner, I am using the Makeup Forever Aqua Lip in color 3C. And we're topping the lips off with the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink Lipstick in color Cheeky. This is one of my favorite colors on so many girls. Next, we're gonna set her skin. I didn't show this in the video, but I used the loose powder in Translucent, the Laura Mercier powder, and then on top of that we're going to spray her skin with the Milk Makeup setting spray. And this is her final look. Hope you enjoyed.